Every business that scales beyond 1 million has one thing in common: systems. Not goals, not hustle. Systems. When you cross that 7-figure threshold, the chaos starts showing. You're juggling sales, operations, fulfillment, customer support, and you're doing all of it at once. This is where most founders hit the ceiling. The founder bottleneck. Think McDonald's, think Amazon, think any company that scales on repeatable excellence. Their secret isn't talent, it's structure. You need to document every core function. Turn tasks into processes. Turn processes into checklists. Turn checklists into training. And then, automate anything that doesn't require human judgment. Scaling isn't about adding fuel. It's about fixing the engine so more fuel doesn't blow it apart. Once you hit 1 million, you can't scale with task doers. You need mission owners. You need your first real leadership hire. This is where founders get it wrong. They hire someone cheaper, someone junior, someone they can manage. But if you want to scale, you don't hire people to take orders. You hire people who relieve you of decisions. Your first key leader is almost always the same: operations. A right-hand operator who brings order to the chaos you built. Think of them like the COO of your early stage company. Someone who can run the day-to-day so you can grow the business instead of babysitting it. And yes, this hire is expensive, but staying small costs far more. Here's the truth. Companies don't scale with effort, they scale with engines. And the most important engine in your business is the one that prints revenue on demand. Before the $1 million mark, most businesses grow through referrals, founder-led sales, and word of mouth. After $1 million, those same methods become shackles, because you cannot scale what you do not control. You need a sales process that works, even when you're not in the room. This means documented scripts, consistent prospecting, measurable KPIs, and reliable conversion rates. When your sales engine becomes predictable, scaling becomes mathematical. Many founders think growing beyond $1 million is about selling more, but the truth is, scaling is about earning more per unit. This is the moment you must evolve your business model. You increase margins by increasing pricing, increasing efficiency, or increasing leverage, ideally, all three. Move into premium tiers, add recurring revenue, productize services, introduce performance-based pricing, package instead of customize. You don't scale by adding weight, you scale by adding lift. These 4 steps are not theories. They are the exact steps used by every company that breaks through the 7-figure ceiling and builds an asset that runs, grows, and thrives, without burning the founder alive. If you master these 4 steps, scaling beyond $1 million isn't luck. It's inevitable. And if you want to know how real founders use acquisitions to scale even faster, then you're going to want to watch the next episode. What happens there might change the entire way you think about growth.